to show y'all the stuff I got for free. So as a consultant, I have these awards I can win, or like earn, not win, but you like hit certain goals, and then you get product credit, which is great because I love free stuff. And yeah, I just want to show y'all what I got. So I'll probably have to list the income disclosure because of the, I don't want to get in trouble, but my results are not typical, so not a lot of people actually earn these. The information I got when I earned it was that like maybe 17% of consultants earn this award. So yeah, and this is only part of it, so this is the free stuff. And then in a couple days, I think my exclusive warmer is coming, my award like certificates, and then my charms for my bracelet are coming. So that's a different shipment. But I'm going to start with something that I've already unboxed and plugged in my brother's room, because I've been thinking about a warmer for him for a while. And then I got this one. I was like, I think he likes Star Wars, right? And he does. So that's great. Worked out perfect. And then for my other brother, still kind of thinking about what he's going to want. He has a very particular taste and aesthetic, so gotta give a think on that one. But yeah, so first off, I got the Star Wars R2-D2 warmer, and I've already unboxed it and plugged it into my bedroom, into the wall in my brother's bedroom, and it's very cool. It's got an interesting lid. I'll share a picture of it. The lid goes on top, and then it's got cutouts in the back so that the fragrance can be released while it's still on the warmer. And it's got a cool projection that comes out the back onto the wall wherever you place it, of Princess Leia, and I've never seen that before, so I thought it was cool. Okay, next I got a Stencil Warmer stand. So let me see if I can open it. It's like, it contains the cord. I've been wanting one of these for a while. So you wrap your cord around it. So if you want to put this on like somewhere, maybe let's say like your countertop in your kitchen, and you're going to plug it into the wall there, and you don't want the cord just like hanging out all over the place, you wrap it in this, and then it goes through the back there, and then you plug it in, and then your warmer just sits on top. And it's just a very classic, not too attention grabbing of a color and style, so I think it'll look great under a lot of different warmers. I think I'm going to put it under my gold warmer. That's my mom's, I think. So I'll share a picture when I get that together. Okay, let's see what else. Next I got a tabletop base for a ceramic nightstand. Ceramic nightlight. I don't know why I can't read. So the mini warmers, you can either plug directly into the wall with the outlet attachment, or you can get this tabletop stand, so you can plug it into the wall and have it sit on a table, and then you screw the mini warmer on top, and then it just sits there like that. Great. I've been wanting these for a long time because I want mini warmers for smaller spaces, and I run out of plugs, so I need like cords. I want to use it like a longer cord, so I'm excited for that. And I also got the same thing but for a glass nightlight. So I have an option because we have different mini warmers, and they're either made of glass or ceramic, so these are the two that I can use for the appropriate warmers. Okay, and then I got the Gingerbread Man. I've been wanting this since I saw it. Let me open them up so you can see. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. Look at it. It's a little gingerbread man chilling in the mug. And then, of course, you plug it in and it lights up. So I can either use this to plug it directly into the wall, or since this one's ceramic, I can use the ceramic base to put it on a table, like flat on a table. It's so cute. I can't wait to use it. I think it's adorable. It's so Christmassy. I can't wait to decorate. I can't wait to decorate. So yeah, I've got just a couple more things, and then I'm gonna hop off here and go to bed because I work very like great and like my best at night, so that's why I hopped on at like 10 o'clock to do this live, because I was like, if I don't do it now, I'm never gonna do it. So this is on sale right now, and I think it's so cool because it's like the first wearable item that Scentsy has ever made, and it's discussions of other versions of wearables coming out. This is the coconut daiquiri little bracelet. I'm gonna put it on now because it lasts for like at least 2 weeks, I think, from what I understand. It comes like in a great little package you can gift directly like that, little piece of plastic, and then this is on the card. So this is a ceramic butterfly, and this is scented, these ropes, in the coconut daiquiri smell. And then on here it says life can be coconuts. How cute. So yeah, I'm gonna slide this on. Oh yeah, that's good. That smells really good. And then you can just twist it like that. Put it up. Goodness, I got a big wrist. Goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it here and then tighten it. And it's got a cute little, oh my gosh, I cannot. That's a star on the little, I don't know, I feel like you can't see that, but it's a little gold charm right there that has a star on it, because Scentsy uses stars in their branding. And then a little butterfly. It's very cute. I'm sure it was kind of designed for teenagers in mind, but I'm an adult and I like it, so. And then you can just smell it, and when you move your hand across your face, you're gonna smell coconut daiquiri, and it smells really good. So these are on sale for like $3.60, I think, right now. That's a steal, if you ask me. So that would be a great stocking stuffer. And then the last 3 things I got is the holiday 3-pack of wax. And I currently am using the Joy and Wonder scent circle in my car, and I really like it. When I first put it on my rear view mirror, I thought it was pomegranate based, but then I read the scent description and I realized that it's cranberry, and I was like surprised because I was like, I should know what cranberry smells like, but this smells really good. Cranberry based. It's a little bit perfumey, not gonna lie, but I'm into it, and I think a lot of people would be into it. So if you want these, you'd buy them as a 3-pack. They come together for $17, I think. Or if you want the individual bar of something, you can put that in Scentsy Club. The next one is mulled cider and spice. Let me put this here so you can see what else is showing. Joy and Wonder. This one is so good. I can't wait. I also have the scent circle in this scent, mulled cider and spice, and I can't wait to use this one in my car. Next, I'll probably be ready to change in November. It smells so good. It's not too fruity, but not too spicy. It's a good balance. I'm into it. And lastly, Mighty Pine. Everybody wants a pine scent for Christmas. It smells like a Christmas tree. But sometimes Christmas trees smells are like fake smelling, but this one doesn't smell like that. It's very woody. So I think this one personally for me is going to be like maybe a mixer. I might have to mix this with something to make it a little less powerful because it is a strong one. But yeah, so that is it. I wanted to just show y'all some of my free stuff and explain all of the amazing benefits of being a consultant. So yeah, I'm gonna hop off here and I'll talk to you later. Bye.